Continuous improvement programs don't fail because of tool. They fail because the leadership doesn't bring their teams with them during the shift to a CI cultural mindset or continuous improvement mindset. Let's be frank. Leaders are drowning in frameworks like DMAIC, PDCA, Operational Excellence, Kaizen, Kata. The problem and the gap isn't technical, it's the human side. That's where I focus this channel. The leadership coaching that you need to be able to shift your team's thinking into one that thinks about continuous improvement and the work they do differently every day. It's about the everyday conversations that I've had with people over 20 plus years of building cultures of continuous improvement. The leaders that separate high performance from mediocre ones are those that focus on developing people while they're solving problems. And I've interviewed people from all over the globe and gleaned their expertise, and I've consolidated here on this channel. If you're leading change or you are wanting to lead change, and I have something to offer you, hit subscribe. If you're new to CI, I suggest you start with the Start Here playlist. And if you're already in a leadership role, jump straight to the CI Leadership Coaching Masterclass. I hope I've given you something to think about.